Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you what is the credit balance in Temu and how you can use it for orders. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. After you open the app, you have to click on the U option, which is on the bottom of the screen in the middle, and now you should see the credit balance option. So here will appear your total credit balance, the amount, and if you do not know what the credit balance is, then you can see some information about it, but I'm going to tell you in short that the Temu credit balance is for compensation. For example, if you had any inconvenience caused during your shopping experience with Temu, like the items you ordered are out of stock or delivery takes longer than estimated. Also, you can get credit if as rewards if you participate in the Temu's promotional activities, or you can also get credit if you return items and choose to accept Temu credit balance instead of a refund to the original payment method. So I show you where you can see your total amount of credits, and you can use it when you order something, it will be automatically added to your order if it's eligible for that order. You do not have to do anything, but if you prefer not to use your credits for the particular order, you may change the amount of credits on the order confirmation page before submitting the order. So that's it. What is the credit balance and how you can use it, but bear it in mind that you cannot withdraw cash from your credit balance, so it can be just added to your offers, so it's not like a cash option. So you will not get money, but you will get items, products for it. So that's it for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.